Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be starting a new series where I'll be explaining about states. This series is Tour of India. In the first episode, we'll be talking about Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu Kashmir has a geographic area of 1,01,387 square kilometers. It lies between latitude 32 degree 17 and 37 degree north and longitude 72 degree 31 and 80 degree 20 east. State is divided into three regions, which are Ladakh, Kashmir Valley and Jammu. The higher regions are covered by Pir Panjal, Karakoram and inner Himalayan ranges of mountains. The important river systems of state are Chenab and the Tavi. Vegetation and climate can be broadly be categorized into subtropical temperature and alpine zones with wide diversity of flora and fauna. There are more than 572 types of medicinal plants. There are 5 types of forest in Jammu Kashmir. First, subtropical dry evergreen. Second, Himalayan moist temperature. Third, Himalayan dry temperature. Fourth, subtropical pine and subalpine. The culture of Kashmir is highly influenced by Indian, Persian as well as Central Asian cultures. Kashmiri culture is heavily influenced by Hinduism, Buddhism and later by Islam. Dominated by Hindu-Buddhist culture in the past, Kashmir was heavily influenced by Islam. Rice is the staple food of Kashmiris and has been so since ancient times. Meat along with rice is the most popular food item in Kashmir. Kashmiris consume meat very well. Despite being Brahmins, most Kashmiri Hindus are meat eaters. Kashmiri drinks include noon chai, sheer chai. The Kashmir Valley is noted for its bakery tradition. Bakers sell various kinds of breads with golden brown crust topped with sesame and poppy seeds. Primary festivals of Kashmiri Hindus include Heerat, Shivratri, Pan, Gadbat. Kashmiri Muslims festivals include Eid ul-Fitr, Shahib-e-Barat. The best time to visit Kashmir region is from April to October, and it has pleasant weather in summer months and gets cold in the months of winter. The valley gets covered with blossoms with heavy fruits during summer. However, winter is the best time to visit Jammu region from months of October to March, when the maximum temperature is around 18 degrees Celsius and minimum is 4 degrees Celsius on some days. The weather from March to May. The Jammu region has subtropical climate and summer is too hot. The temperature starts soaring in the month of March and at its peak month in the April. The maximum temperature in summer can go up to 45 degrees Celsius. Kashmir is a pleasant place with temperature from 14 to 30 degrees Celsius. Some days can be slightly hotter. Evenings are very pleasant and Ladakh has a similar climate. Monsoon season, June to August. Jammu enjoys good amount of rain during monsoon. Rain makes the evening cooler, but humidity remains same during the daytime. Hence, it's not advisable to visit Jammu during monsoon. However, Kashmir and Ladakh don't receive so much rain and weather is pleasant during this month. Autumn, September to October. When autumn starts, there is relief from rain and humidity. In the Jammu region, the average temperature reduces and the weather becomes pleasant. The temperature is 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. Autumn is a season of different colors in Kashmir, where the changing of colors leaves are very vibrantly visible. The landscapes are very beautiful. Maximum temperature during the day will be around 23 degrees Celsius, but nights will be very cold. Winter season, November to February. November marks the onset of winter. The weather is very chill into Jammu. The temperature is usually 4 degrees Celsius and 18 degrees Celsius. The best time to visit Jammu for who know to play in snow. Kashmir witnesses very heavy snowfall and rainfall, with the temperature varying from -2 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius. According to the history of Jammu Kashmir, Maharaja Hari Singh was the last ruling Maharaja of the princely state. Srinagar was founded by Emperor Ashoka, not the Mughal Emperor Jahangir. When Jammu and Kashmir was a state, Srinagar in Kashmir Valley has served as summer capital, while Jammu has served as winter capital. The best tourist destination for Kashmir tourism is Srinagar, Gulmarg, Sonmarg and Falgam. The Jhelum River is the only major Himalayan river which flows through Kashmir Valley. The languages spoken in Jammu Kashmir are Kashmiri, Urdu, Dorji, Pahari, Balti, Ladakhi, Georgi, Shina and Pashto. Amarnath cave in Jammu and Kashmir has natural Shivlingam made of ice which is over 5000 years old and is prominent Hindu pilgrimage destination. India's first floating post office was built on houseboat at west edge of Dal Lake in Srinagar.